Shorten up your legs.
Yeah. We're gonna see if we can't get a raffle going to pay you guys for the. This kind of, yeah, that would be more of a direct flow into your holding tank, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Flip it up once now.
Gets rid of the splashing.
Yeah. We've used that tank already.
You bet. The guy's got it, he uses it all the time.
Well, that's locked, huh? That's a hell of a good idea.
You push the wrong combination, does the burglar alarm go off? Just don't let you in.
Right.
Now this is down as far as it'll go.
Oh no. See, if you get it off that carrier rack, it'll go clear down to the ground
No,
almost.
I mean as far as going up for height, for like filling a tanker.
That's usually about as low as you're ever going to get with it. Because when the thing's sitting level, that brings that down. You know what the hell, we were sitting there and took a couple hours and a couple of 12 packs is all. This is about 5, 6 years old already.
She's moved some water, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
Go in, guys, it's cold.
Blossom Special.
Yeah, this Richie and
Redfield,
Steve.
South Dakota.
This right in here would be Orange Blossom Special.
That's all we're running tonight.
This is our battery box. To get this custom built in here for
Yep. You like what you see, Carrie? Does this basically say motor?
measure that.
we got the vice grips in action anyway. The pump's over in the other part.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on the. She's still the orange blossom special, eh?
She's not very red, is it? Can't believe anybody picked that color for a fire truck.
They gonna paint these a different color?
Yeah, they'll probably paint them orange.
Suppose? You have to get some of those caps to put over the wheels.
You like those doors, Jack?
Yeah. Or they shut, they go all the way, don't they? You get our hinge system?
I like that orange paint though, that sets it off.
We still got a good orange Boston special on here. We got a light bar in here? Oh, they wouldn't have that. See, that's gonna set up above. That's
And I wonder if anybody knows we're here doing this.
No.
What controls that?
Hell, we could be from Central States. They wouldn't know what we were doing.
There's gotta be a few on turn, but see it.
That's your screw?
What's a stroke?
Yeah, let's go. There's a trade-in clear over here.
I think so. The rural department. I think they do. They got one of the pumps sticking out the front. Short people need. Holy, oh, look at that thing. The hood's 6 foot on the ground.
See, us little guys stand straight up in here. Check my oil, please. We're gonna put that on and we'll set that. We're gonna set that battery box up in there.
This is roughly.
Okay.
That's about where your battery
Hey, you guys, I can't see a thing.
We'll make that lid completely removable.
Oh, okay.
2 latches here. You can tip it back and then move these pieces down to the lips.
Okay.
You tip it back, sit it down in. And that piece right there will sit underneath here. We'll have a latch, a butterfly latch. It'll lay flat. And you'll be able to walk on and walk. Yep. Well, they work right over there. Well, we didn't know. 36 inches. is where you're sitting.
Yep, yep.
If you don't walk out, you can walk out on it.
You bet. No, that looks good.
Go ahead. I'm gonna be holding you up.
You're on camera.
We got you on camera.
You're on camera.
Don't put them on vertical, dude.
I gotta see those vice grips in action. Can I get a close up of that?
Oh, did you?
Would there be somebody in your parts?
Shut the door.
We built. They used to build them.
Nice.
And first one I built them like this. I one on the top. Got the oil in there, 50 radiator, air filter, a lot on that side.
Can I get that in writing? What are you gonna make for it?
Razor Blossom Special, little sign.
Too late, you didn't get my name.
Right by where that rag, where the rags are, on this end. Okay, on the side of the desk.
Okay, there you go.
AC volt, 120, 240. KVA,
6. And that's PF 1. All the numbers on there, there's nothing for wattage.
This was a 3-phase.
Somebody using your welder?
Nice. There's a rust hole. These have a screen? Yeah, they do.
Boy, 500 gallons ain't much, is it?
No. Us little guys have more problems.
Extra parts.
Yeah. Somebody got a little carried away.
It was snowing when we put that out here, so.
Razor blades. Probably an ideal paint room, man. For that filter system in their paint, you probably ain't much left in it. This is something I see. You know that red,
Yep.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a big truck when it.
No. They look fine too.
How's it coming?
Quit playing, Stevie.
Well, you're gonna take.
Looks like it'll work.
By the time you let go of it, it might come on your hand. Unless you got, I don't know, fast. Yep. I don't want to wide open. Ask the guy that's over outside. They can get the windows open.
Appreciate it. Whatever. Okay? I'm gonna keep this on file for a while until you get ready. Sure. No, he's one of ours. He's on our
Is he?
roster. Yeah, he's our backup.